Welcome to Mainichi Japan, and in today's video we will discuss on how to write date in Japanese. The way the Japanese dates are written are different than the days we write in Gregorian calendar. And you need to fill different forms, documents, or maybe surveys in your daily life if you are in Japan. So I hope this video will be very useful for that purpose. Okay, with that said, let us get inside our today's topic. There are different calendars that is used in Japan, but in today's video we will be discussing on mainly two calendars, that is Gregorian calendar, or also known as the Seireki, and next is the Japanese Imperial Calendar, which is also known as Wareki. This is also known as the Seireki in Japanese language, which means the Western calendar. This kanji it relates to the West, which is Nishi or Sei, because the European country and the America lies in the west of the Japan. That's right. So in the Gregorian calendar, we write the Japanese date in this format: year, then month, and likewise the day, and lastly the day of the week. So the year, it is the Toshi. It is called Toshi. Oh, sorry. Okay. This is the year. Likewise, this is the month, or Tsuki, and this is the day, which is Hi, and lastly we have the Yobi, or the days of the week. Okay, for example, okay, let me write here. So let us write this in kanji. It is Rei, which is example. Okay, so let me write today's date. Today is 2020. Then after we write this 2020 year. Then we write the month. So today is 7月の今日は19日。This is 19日, and yobi is 日曜日. So we write this in short. So if you write it in full, it would be like this: Nichi. Then after we write this here, yobi. We just remove the yobi and we write the nichi. You can write for others also. This is Getchu yobi. So what you do is you just remove the yobi and just write the initial kanji here. It indicates the days of the week or the day of the week. So in this way you write in Japanese language as per the Gregorian calendar. But if you write in English, it would be, so today is July, so July 19th, 2020, or sometimes it's also written as 19th July 2020. So this is how you write the Japanese date in Gregorian calendar. So this is the easiest way to write in the Gregorian calendar. The Japanese Imperial Calendar, which is based on the tenure of this certain emperor, and the calendar gets changed whenever a new emperor ascends the throne. New Japanese calendar would be given a certain name or the era name. For example, current Japanese Imperial Calendar is Reiwa. Reiwa, this is Reiwa. And it got changed in the year 2019 May 1st. So the new emperor, he ascended the throne in this day, and from this day the Reiwa started. And next thing is, there are different other Japanese Imperial calendars. For example, before Reiwa, there we have Heisei, which started in 1989 and January 8th. It started in this day Heisei. Likewise, we have Showa. Okay, I did not knew the date, so I got a reference here. I'm using that. So it was started in this date. So this period was tenured by certain emperor. This was with certain emperor, and this one with the new emperor. Okay, let us learn now how to write in the Japanese Imperial Calendar way. So what we do is, whenever you're writing the Japanese Imperial Calendar, the date is written with the year prefixed with the era. So the year, so this is the year, it will be prefixed with the era. So the era for now is Reiwa. So here it would be Reiwa, and since it was started in 2019, right now it's 2020, so 1 and it would be 2. This is the first year, this is the second year, so this is the second year, and today's date is, today is July, and today is 19th of July, and today is Sunday. So this is how you write in Japanese Imperial Calendar. And next, the most important thing here is the year 2019 is given the name Gannen. So what does Gannen means? So Gannen means the first year of the Imperial Calendar. So this is the first year of the Imperial Calendar. So if you want to write this date, okay, let us write this date in Reiwa or in the Japanese Imperial Calendar way. So how you write that? First, you write Reiwa, then you write Gannen. Okay, guys. So after that, what you write? You write May, and then the first, and yeah, you close it. And next thing is, it is optional to write the date. You can write it, you may not write. It's optional, or it's a choice, because in the forms, whenever you are about to write the date in the Japanese Imperial Calendar, at the time you need to know the different eras and the time period between those eras. For example, if you are writing the date in between this period, at the time, the first year 1926 1225 would be equivalent to, this is the first year, so it would be Gannen, so 12月25日. So it would be like this. If it is suppose 1930, for example 0101, at the time it would be Showa, so 26, so 1, 26 would be 1, then 27, 28, 29, so 30, so it would be 5. In this way, if you count like this, so it would be 5, so it would be Showa go, okay, I always make mistake here, so 1月11日. So if we go to Heisei in the same manner, and if we take date in between this period, for example, we take 1993 and 01 and 0 at the time, this would be say it would be Gonen, Jigatsu, Ichinichi, like this. And I told you before also, the first year of the Imperial era would be called Gannen. So this is called Gannen. It is very, very important. Don't forget this. So it would be Gannen. So this is the first year of the Imperial era. And likewise in this case, so today's date is 2020 and today is July 19, so it would be Reiwa. So I told you before also, first year would be Gannen. After that, second year would be called number 2. So 2. So Shichigatsu, so in this way you write the dates. So whenever you're writing the date in the Japanese imperial system, you need to know this time spans. I think it would be very, very difficult to remember all these date spans. So you just need to remember your birthday in either of these. It might be in Heisei or it might be in Showa. So if you remember your birth date only, it would be very, very useful. And next thing, I'll be putting a link to the page where you can convert this date in any of these eras, and I hope it would be very, very useful to you guys. And with that said, let me end today's video and hope to see you in next video, and happy learning.